How to withdraw RRSP from Desjardins. Follow these steps. Log into your accessed account on the Desjardins website or mobile app. Go to the Transactions section and select RRSP. Click on Withdraw Funds and choose the account to withdraw from. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Review the tax withholding rates based on the withdrawal amount. Confirm if the withdrawal is part of a program like the Home Buyers Plan or Lifelong Learning Plan. Provide your consent and confirm the withdrawal. Check for a confirmation message and note the processing time, usually 3 to 5 business days. Look out for AT4 RSP tax slip from Desjardins during tax season. Log out of your account for security. Thanks for watching.